bad on filming. I'm gonna film us because I do strange things like that.
She's sad. She's got no life at all.
No. I like to show everybody where I've been. Oh, hi, strange man.
Here we are again. Trailer trash.
Home sweet home.
In America, people who live in mobile homes, bigger than these. I mean, they're like caravans, but they're bigger. And they're static. Like people who come from Essex, really. Run, boy, run. I'm going to run you over. I'm going to splash him. No.
Why don't you move over? Stupid child.
Runs like a girl.
Here's our tent. Here's our house. What's that? There's a bit of plastic on the floor, like bag.